Hello kids! Welcome to Koko Yoga. Today we will learn 5 easy yoga poses for beginners. These poses help our body become strong, flexible, and calm. So, let's start our fun yoga time. Mountain pose. Stand up straight like a tall mountain. Keep your feet together and arms by your sides. Take a deep breath and feel your body strong and steady. This pose helps improve balance and posture. Tree pose. Stand on one foot and place the other foot on your leg. Bring your hands together above your head like tree branches. Try to stay balanced like a quiet tree in the wind. This pose helps with focus and balance. Butterfly pose. Sit down and bring the soles of your feet together. Hold your feet with your hands. Now gently move your knees up and down like butterfly wings. This pose helps stretch your legs and relax your body. Cat-cow pose. Come onto your hands and knees. First, round your back like a cat. Then slowly lift your chest and look up like a cow. This pose helps stretch the spine and keep the back healthy. Child's pose. Sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward. Rest your forehead on the mat and relax your body. Take slow, deep breaths. This pose helps the body feel calm and peaceful. Great job, kids! You did amazing yoga today. Practice these poses every day to stay happy, strong, and healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Koko Yoga. See you in the next yoga adventure.